There's where I went down.
This is the rooster, this is the cock, that's the male one. When selecting parent stock, you need to make sure that they have good stature, fine leg, the leg should be heavy leg, the beak should be straight, and the comb should be purely red. You can see this is pure red comb. If it is whitish, don't select it when making selection for parent stock. This is the male one. Now let me give you an example of the female one. See this is the female one also. You can see has nice texture also, nice structure for parenting. This will be a very fine egg for you, and the egg will be fertile eggs. So you need to take care of these birds because they are parent stock. They are going to produce young ones and you make money through it. That's why it is very necessary that you make very good selection. Out of 1,000 birds, you can select about 100 or 200 out of 1,000. To tell you, the selection should be very strict to get the best from this. You can see them, they are called parent stock. Let me give you more examples. These are broiler parent stocks. Here you can see the male, that is the roosters, and you can see the roosters. This is the rooster. You can see this is the rooster. You can see them. See the roosters with red comb. You can see the roosters. These broiler roosters will mate with the hen to produce fertile eggs. broiler fertile eggs you can use to hatch and get quality day-old broiler chicks. You can see them. You can see the roosters. This is called roast 308 hen and cob. 500 roosters. There are two special breeds of broiler here. These breeds will give you very wonderful day-old that will grow faster than any of the breeds you know. This is not ordinary feed. You can see the color of their feed. Watch the color of their feed. It's not ordinary feed. This is parent stock feed. You can see their feed here. This is parent stock feed. It's not the normal feed you give to your broilers also. You can see their feed. Parent stock feed is different from ordinary table meat broiler feed. Here you're not growing them to grow fatter or bigger. You want them to lay fertile eggs. They should not be too fat. They have different feeding plans and different feeding patterns. They are not bred for meat. Their egg is for hatching, not for table egg. Very soon they will start laying egg because they are about 4 months old now. You are not growing them to grow big or fat. You want to use them to produce your own day-old chicks through the use of incubators. You can see them. See the cock. You can see the cock, the male ones. You can see the male ones over there. See the male ones. You can see the male ones. You can see the male ones. Only few male ones. In parent stock breeding or day-old chick breeding, it is always 1:10. That is, you can see here. You only see few cock, few. That is few male ones. That is the one we call roosters. Only few are here. These few, if there are too many, there will be too much competition and their eggs will fail. Most of the eggs will fail during hatching. So that's why you always have few male and enough hen. The ratio is always 1:10. That is 1 cock to 10 hens. This will give you a very good quality day-old chicks. You can see how they are selected. These ones have special. You can see the legs. See the legs of this. The cock. You can see their legs. There is proper selection here. You can see the hen. The hen are of good grade. Watch their feet color. Watch their feet. See their feet color. See the space they have. See their cock. You can see their cock. See the leg of the cock. You can see how huge their legs are. Watch their legs. You can see them. See the cock. See the hen. They are specially selected for this purpose. See them eat. This is cob 500 and roast 308 breed. We are breeding them for hatching of their fertile eggs. What is a broiler parent stock? Many farmers don't even know what we call parent stock. That's why when you present anything parent stock, they always ask you, is parent stock different from other broilers? Yes. Just like asking, is mother different from children? Yes, they are the same offspring, but from different genetic formation. These particular ones are bred to lay eggs that will be hatched for you to get your table broilers, the ones you rear for some weeks and sell. These ones are the mothers and the fathers here. They are not ordinary broiler. They are specially selected. You can see them. They are specially selected from day one to their maturity. They will start laying eggs. By this time next month, they have started laying eggs. The cock have started crawling. That means they are almost mature. You can see the female one's comb is very reddish in color. That's one of the signs of maturity. Let me show you their legs so that you see when during selection what you need to look at. See their legs. You can see how their legs. You can see their meat. You can see this one. You can see their meat. You can see their skin. See their legs. They are specially selected. See their legs are yellow in color. This is very quality chicks for your parent stock. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll give you details of what you look out for when making selections for your parent stock. What is parent stock? Qualities of broiler parent stock. How to manage broiler parent stock. The feeding, the lighting system, how many times you give them food per day, the medication, and other management procedures for parent stock. The space, you can see that they have enough space here. You can see the number of male to female. You can see this one is, you see one male here. You can see many female ones here. That's the one we call the roosters and the hen. You can see them. Few roosters are here. The water they take, how many times you give them food. You're not feeding them to grow fat. So always remember this. Have it at the back of your mind that you're not feeding them to grow fat. The size you are seeing here, they are not too fatty in nature because they have been selected for this particular purpose. Watch the video to the end. Please share this video because many farmers want to go into hatching of broiler day-old chicks, but they don't know how to go about it. In this video, you will learn all this. Share it to other poultry farmers while we continue in the next video, loading very soon. Please share this video. If you have any question regarding broiler parent stock, breeding, day-old chicks breeding, hatching, and incubation, please drop your comments on the comment section. I will be glad to answer them for you. You can see them.